It's the dead end of the runway. And there's Gaisano Grand. There you are, guys. The Colegio de la Purísima Conception is right there. Okay, we have Gaisano Grand in sight. CPC Arnaldo Boulevard is obscured is just right there. It's right there, just obscured by the trees. CPC Arnaldo Boulevard is obscured by trees. Okay, full throttle, full throttle, full speed ahead, Captain. Okay, okay, do it at full speed, Captain. Come on, come on. There, we have CPC. We have CPC in sight. We have it in sight. And there's my. Okay, okay, just keep pulling out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Okay, we're up. There's the airport. And there's my house right there. It's just hidden within. There. My house is just hidden within. Okay, gear up. Right. Okay, we're leveling out. Great job, Captain. Okay. Okay, we're there now.